tiny shoot rose in a silent lab, and it startled the caretaker because it wasn't supposed to exist anymore. But its glow hinted at a memory the world had almost forgotten. So the caretaker made another, then another, letting fragile green sparks fill the room, which meant old forests could breathe again, even if only as whispers in glass. And when one sprout unfurled a leaf shaped like a question mark, it seemed to ask, "Will you help us return?" So the caretaker whispered back, "Yes, let's rebuild everything we lost."